Alright, I'll start with the tall windows first. So when you glue these window frames in, you want to make sure that if your frame is face down, that the sticky back adhesive is facing up. In other words, towards the back, and you can kind of see, hopefully you can kind of see, it has a different color than the front. So that front you want to go down like this, facing outwards, the outside of the building. It's going to be peeling the self-stick adhesive, the protection off the back, and sticking the windows on there, just along the outside edge, and just stick it in the hole, like so. Here are the two door backs. I'm going to do those green for a little variety. Take the doors, two front doors out. Actually, no, not yet. It's actually going to be easier to actually put the doors on, these door backs on. Well, these are in here so they don't go flying around. I'm going to pick at the back of this sticky back adhesive and just pull it off like that. There. Just like that. Alright. Hold them in there safe, keep them for later. Now, with this creature here to fill in, and I'm thinking somehow these go in there. I'm not 100% sure. Little doors there. Got them all glued in place, and when I'm ready I'll take them out and actually maybe I think I'm ready now. Put these two doors in this space here because I think that's where they go. Stick around here and hide the fact that there's a little gap at the bottom where a little strip of wood came off there, so it will cover a multitude of sins. much ready to assemble. Alright, now I'm getting to the point where I'm ready to put the building together, but first I need to cut out the windows and put those on. So let me get going with that.